Hey y'all, it's Michaela Janae here, back with another video. And in today's video, you see me looking good in the face, but my hair is a mess. This is a old twist out, and I thought today I'd show you guys how I do one of my slick back buns, alright? And if you'd like to see the video on this makeup look, click the card above, honey, because this is my first time using my Take Me to Brazil palette to match my little shirt, you know. And it came out great. And let's get right into the video. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna spray some of my coconut milk cream of nature detangling conditioner, leave-in conditioner in it. Okay, this is my hair all combed out and looking fluffy and full, you know. So let's part our hair. Now that I have it in this stage, I'm going to use my Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defying Cream. Make sure your rubber band is on standby, because once you get it right, in the right position, you have to strike while the iron is hot. Now I'm going to take my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Styler Gel and put that on my hair. Okay, so now to the edges. I'm going to take some of the gel and put it on my baby hairs. And I'm going to take some of this Silk Elements Edge Gel and put it on top of the Eco Styler. So now I'm going to tie it down. Okay, so after I let that set, I'll be right back so we can create the bun. Alright y'all, I'm back. So we're just gonna take this off. Okay, look at that. So for my bun, I'm just gonna take another rubber band, do it twice, and just make a bun like that, because you know, real simple. I'm not trying to do too much, like So you guys, this is how I do my slick back side part bun. Yeah, it's really easy, really simple. If you guys want my other bun tutorials, because I do a middle bun, I do a slick high bun, all that good stuff, I will definitely get that out to you guys. Like I said, the information on this makeup look will be in the cards above. Please check that out. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and continue to share my videos. Hi you guys, to all my new subscribers, please start to comment down below. I respond to literally every comment. Love y'all. Bye.